You were able to ship that your application with AI. The booking system is working, the payment is working, your friends, your families have joined, but you're still below 50 users. Let me show you something. Those your few followers on Instagram, your followers on TikTok, they're not actually your customers because they are fellow developers just like you also building. There's this platform that a lot of people don't really take serious, but it gets almost 2.3 billion monthly users every month. You see Facebook. Facebook is where you're going to get real customers from. If you look at those Facebook groups, let's assume you built a management system for gyms. Your gyms owners, in those Facebook groups, that's where you're going to get a bunch of gym owners in one place complaining about one single problem that you solved. That's where you're going to meet your customers. Those events, that's where you're going to meet your customers. But one important thing is to really take that Facebook serious, because a lot of people downgrade that platform and feels maybe it's outdated and other things, but that's where people make a lot of money from.